I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Isn't that cool? Why Google it when you can Google it? I love this song. It's done by my little brother Zach, and I promised him, I said I'm gonna put it in one of the episodes, and I decided today to put it in today's episode actually, and because today I'm making a shakshuka. Yes, hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Shakshuka day today. So first one I heard a few years back about the shakshuka, I thought something to do with the belly dancer, but turned to be one of the best breakfasts to be on the table. So for the shakshuka, very easy. It's the four main ingredients: eggs, tomato, cumin, and smoked paprika. And beside that, you can put whatever you want. You want to put chicken, you want to put meat, whatever vegetable you want. So today I want to show you my version of my shakshuka. So first we're gonna start with the garlic, fresh garlic. Smash, chop. White onion. So we're gonna dice it, small dice. Red pepper, small dice as well. Perfecto. Now turn the stove on the medium high, and olive oil, the vegetable all in, salt, pepper, and we're gonna saute them. Nice, so the vegetable fully sauteed, and now I'm gonna add a diced tomato, a canned diced tomato, smoked paprika, cumin. Mix it very well, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 6 minutes before we add the eggs. Nice, look at this. Did I say 5-6 minutes? No, I was wrong. Sometimes I throw words, I'm not responsible for it. So it was simmering for about 15 minutes, and look at that lovely shakshuka salsa. Now in the meantime, I'm gonna crack the eggs, and the eggs I'm gonna crack it in a separate bowl. I'm not gonna crack it directly there just in case you miss the shell, so easy to pick it up from here. Lovely, as you can see here. Now final mix. Now we're gonna create actually easier way. If you have one of this, you just create a little well, and you pour the egg in the well here. Voila. So now for the eggs, you put it down to simmer, you cover it up, and you let it simmer for a few minutes, or depends on how you like the eggs, soft or medium or hard. So pretty much we're poaching the eggs now in the tomato sauce here, and me, I like it personally, I like it medium, so we'll wait for a few minutes and I'll show you when it's done. Nice, look at this. It's been simmering for 4 minutes, so I got the eggs beautiful medium. Look at this, the way I want it. Now a little black pepper on top the eggs, fresh cilantro, and your shakshuka, it's ready to go. Now this is the easiest meal I think I ever done, and it's a breakfast, it's lunch, it's a yummy things to have. It's a shakshuka, that's the most important, it's the name. Now you can serve it on the table a plate for everyone, and I'll show you how to serve individual, and the best to go with is a nice bread beside it as well. Some from the salsa on the bottom, and the eggs. Lovely. Wow, that's a good shakshuka. So it was easy to make, and the cumin, the paprika give amazing flavor to it. All yours to enjoy. You can use it for brunch, for breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can make it whenever you want. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.